Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Whitewater Meadows in St. Catherine. We have here a 6 bedroom, 5 bathroom house for sale. It comes with living, dining, kitchen, and laundry. It also features solar water heater, 3 air conditioned units, ceiling fans, glass shower enclosure, water tank, sun terrace, balcony, 1 car garage, and 1 carport. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.